So, you might be having a math meltdown right now, and that's okay. We all have meltdowns from time to time, and math can be something that starts a meltdown pretty easily because sometimes it can be frustrating and hard. So, I want to say thank you for choosing this meditation, and I hope that it helps make math a little bit easier and that it helps you relax and ground into your body before you go back to studying math. So to begin, go ahead and start by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. And go ahead and close your eyes. And on this next breath in, I want you to see if you can deepen it a little bit. So breathe in deeply through your nose. And release it slowly through your mouth. Continue to take some deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. And as you breathe deeply, notice the different sensations that are happening in your body. You can notice the feeling of your breath filling up your lungs. Does it feel expansive? Are there any points of tension that you notice? If you do notice any tension or pain or anything like that, don't worry about it. It doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. Just notice it and observe it neutrally and notice what it feels like. You may choose to notice the sensations of what it feels like to sit in the chair you're sitting in. Can you feel the pressure of your body sitting in the chair? You might notice the sensations on your skin. Can you feel warmth or coolness? Can you feel the softness of the fabric of your clothes? And as you notice all of the sensations that are happening in your body, continue to breathe deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. And just allow yourself to really sink into the feeling of your breath. Continue to breathe deeply. And as you breathe deeply, I want you to consider the following statements. My value as a human does not depend on my ability to do math. I am valuable and I am intelligent and I am powerful regardless of my ability to do math. I enjoy learning, and I recognize that sometimes on the path of learning there are bumps in the road, but this doesn't mean that I'm learning in the wrong way, and it doesn't mean that I'm stupid. It just means that I have a new opportunity to learn. I enjoy learning how my brain works. I enjoy seeing what study habits work for me and what don't. And it's okay if one way that I see other people learning doesn't work for me. Obviously it won't, because I'm a unique person. And it's okay for me to experiment and explore until I find a method that works well for me. I recognize that I'm really hard on myself sometimes. And in this moment, I'm recommitting to being more kind to myself and to speak kind words to myself as I'm learning, especially in those moments of frustration. I choose to love myself in every moment, regardless of whether I'm doing well at math or not. I'm worth loving in every moment, and I choose to give that love to myself. I can enjoy math. It's possible for me to enjoy the whole process of exploring and experiencing all the different patterns that math is a representation of. It's possible for me to enjoy the process of not knowing and figuring things out. And it's also okay that I don't feel that way in this moment. That's okay. I really am doing my best, and my best is exactly enough. I am enough. Take another deep breath and allow all of the truth that resonated for you to sink in. And as you breathe out, let anything that didn't resonate as true for you, just breathe that right out. You may also choose to take a couple more deep breaths and breathe in the love that you felt for yourself during that meditation. And as you breathe out any tension or frustration that you may have been feeling that you want to let go of. And remember, your value does not depend on how you're doing in math. Math is just a life experience that you get to experience. And just remember that in the big scheme of things, it's not that big of a deal. And it's also okay that it feels like it's absorbing your whole world at the moment. And I would just encourage you to maybe take a little break and reconnect with what really brings you joy in life. That could be going out on a walk with your dog, or it could be taking a quick little nap, or getting up and exercising a little bit. Something to mix up the pace so that you can get back to your math and enjoy the process a little bit more. Thank you.